law states that an object at rest will stay at rest until acted on by a force. In soccer, the force is the player's foot. It will keep moving in a straight line with no intention of stopping. The only reason it stops is because of friction and Earth's gravitational pull. Newton's second law. The force that you apply on the ball affects the distance. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of force.
And now I'll hit it with much more force.
Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal reaction. This means that if you kick the ball is hitting you just as hard. Momentum. When a soccer player kicks the ball, he transfers his momentum to the ball. When players pass the ball to each other, they use their feet to slow the momentum. Friction is applied when a soccer ball is kicked along the grass surface. There is always a force parallel but opposite the ball. Friction is caused when the opposing surfaces make contact with each other.
Friction makes the ball stop.
Friction makes the ball stop. Projectile motion. It refers to the motion of an object projected into the air at an angle with the horizontal when the ball is being kicked by the soccer player. The ball reaches its max and comes right down. The reason why the ball did not go straight upward when being kicked but came down to the earth is because the ball is being pulled by gravity. When aiming a header, vectors must be taken into consideration. According to physics, the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Magnus effect. The ball curves because the player kicks the ball at a certain angle and velocity. For this to happen, players must hit the soccer ball with a precise velocity and with a certain spin. When the ball's velocity drops, Magnus effect increases. Magnus effect is the reason the ball curves through the air when it spins through fluid matter. It creates a barrier, kind of like a force field.
The ball header.
I don't want to fall.
Videotape it.
No, actually hurts so bad. Please don't.
You gotta go faster.
I am going fast. You're such a dick. It hurts. That actually hurts so bad. I'm gonna cry.
Run, hurry up.
No, I'm scared.
Run now. Oh, what a beast.
Newton's second law. He's on the
Hurry up, faster.
I can't do it. Newton's second law. The force that you apply on the ball affects the distance. Are you going? Oh, okay. Stop it! Austin! The Magnus effect. The ball curves because the player kicks the ball at a certain angle and velocity. For this... Fuck, stop doing that. This is even funny. That looks so disgusting. Friction is... I can't even see because of the stupid light. I can't see it. Ready?
What should we do?
I don't know. I'm cold. Go fuck yourself.
Huh?
Nothing. Okay. Magnus effect. The ball curves because the player
Car.
kicks the ball.
Car.
Oh, fox. Okay. tell me when you're gonna go. When aiming a header, vectors must be taken into consideration. According to physics, the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Or not.